Hi everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and welcome back to the gorgeous hills of Tuscany. We are close by to Anghiari and also close to Arezzo and San Sepolcro on the border with Umbria. Today, we will visit together a beautiful Hamlet, perfect to enjoy peace, privacy and nature in the heart of Italy. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property externally has about 2 hectares of land, part of which is covered with these beautiful vineyards that are ideal to make your own Italian wine. They are also perfectly positioned on this terrace, ideal for them to enjoy this sun. The vineyard has its own Sangiovese, Merlot and Trebbiano grape varieties, producing about 350 to 500 liters of wine annually. There are also 55 olive trees on the land, which usually produce about 50 to 60 liters of fabulous olive oil each season. Additionally, there are 2 freshwater wells on the property. The original has 35 meters of depth and the newer one has about 60 meters of depth. Within these beautiful grounds, there is indeed space for a large swimming pool that would as well enjoy this gorgeous view. The property, in terms of buildings, is made up of 3 beautiful country houses that are close to each other and create this enchanting village effect. Let's start from the first one, which is the smallest one, and is laid on 2 levels. They are both currently used as storage rooms, but could also easily be turned into a guest room or a guest apartment. In between these 3 houses, there are several terraces and outdoor spaces, ideal to enjoy this beautiful sun and maybe have a nice, enjoyable barbecue. Let's begin seeing the inside of the second country house. It has been wonderfully restored with tasteful materials, all traditional, like for example this beautiful terracotta floor, the wooden beams that have been painted in white to give even more light to the space, and the stone fireplace. And also high-end finishes, like for example the beautiful stainless steel kitchen I'm about to show you. This space is the living space and entertainment area, with this cozy sitting room on this side, and on this other part we have a large dining table right beside, passing through this arch, the kitchen. Let's have a closer look. The kitchen is made up of gorgeous stainless steel and has refined marble and stone tops. I love the way it is laid out with the stove area over here. In the middle we have 2 large sinks with a marble top, and over there is where we have all of the wine fridges part. One last area I want to talk about is this one over here. As we pass through this door, you find this area that we could call the coffee room. In fact, there is all the coffee machines, and in the end we have a door that leads to a convenient washroom that serves all of the floor with the common areas. On the first floor of the country house, we get to another large living space, tastefully furnished and with its own large fireplace, direct access to the outdoor areas and lots of light. Right beside the living area, we find the bedroom space over here that has two large his and hers bathrooms, and by closing this door, this bathroom is also independent to the living area. Have a look. Upstairs, we are on the second and top floor of the house. We are under the roof. In fact, you can see all of the wooden beams from the roof. And this area is used as an office space at the moment, but could be easily turned into a large bedroom. Before we see the third and last country house, right in front of the second one we've just seen, I just want to take a moment to mention this breathtaking view we have right in front. Today we have a fantastic sunny day and the skies are very clear. In fact, we can even see the snowy mountains in the distance. The ground floor starts with this large living area with, of course, its own fireplace and lots of light. It is very tasteful, and I can imagine being here in the winter time, in the evening, enjoying some wine, the fire, and this beautiful view right outside. From the living space, we have direct access into this bedroom. It has quite high ceilings, its own direct access from outside, and on this side we have this central area which lets you use this bathroom I'm about to show you, both from the bedroom and the living spaces. It is really large and it has both its own bathtub and shower over here. Then we have this hallway which connects this space that is currently used as a wardrobe and a storage room. In the end of the hallway we have this large kitchen that is the heart of the home, and it has this beautiful traditional marble top all the way to the end, and it is painted with these beautiful light colors that give even more light to this place. The upper floor of this house enjoys its own independent access with this gorgeous terrace right in front, and it is nearly totally covered by this beautiful pergola which has this huge wisteria plant that makes this space even more colorful when it blooms with all of its violet flowers. The top floor of this home enjoys another 2 bedrooms. Each one has its independent access to the outdoor space, and they both share a nicely sized bathroom in the middle. Of course, they are also very tastefully restored and furnished with this beautiful terracotta in style with the rest of the homes, the wooden beams, and this room even has its own fireplace. We've now gotten to the end of today's property tour. I absolutely loved this home and I hope you did as well. It is for sure the ideal solution for someone looking to make an investment because each unit is independent and has its own privacy, so can be rented very easily. But also could be a perfect solution for a family that loves Italy and would like a perfect little hamlet in a fantastic position in Tuscany. I hope you liked it, and before I leave you, please remember to subscribe to our channel for new exciting homes every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!